Hey guys, so today we will be seeing what is IGEL Plus. We all use IGEL day-to-day basis, but what is IGEL Plus? So this intersurgical company, they have upgraded their IGEL to IGEL Plus, and this question is often asked in fourth paper recent trends. So IGEL Plus supraglottic airway evolved is a next generation supraglottic airway device with a non-inflatable cuff and an inbuilt gastric access channel. So this is designed for confidence and built for performance. Hashtag no ad. And it has a non-inflatable cuff, gastric channel, epiglottic rest and integrated bite block, second generation IGEL material. But all these things are already present in IGEL. So what is the added benefit of IGEL Plus? So we will just see the key feature. It has a non-inflatable cuff, gastric channel up to 16 French, whereas this is not possible in our IGEL. Epiglottic rest and an integrated bite block, 15 oxygen connector, and it is MRA conditional. And it is color coded according to the weight, and size 1 is for 2 to 5 kgs and it is pink in color. Size 1.5 is for 5 to 12 kgs, it is white in color. Size 2 is 10 to 25 kgs, it is gray in color. Size 2.5 is yellow in color. For weight 25 to 35 kgs. Size most commonly used size 3 is 30 to 60 kgs, which is green in color. And larger than that is orange color IGEL Plus, that is size 4 for 50 to 90 kgs, and 90 plus kgs we use purple, that is size 5. So this is usually based on your weight, not age or height. What are the routine indications? Routine airway management, positive pressure ventilation as a rescue airway device during general anesthesia in anesthetized or non-anesthetized patients with appropriate training. They have told not to use in full stomach patients as it has high aspiration risk and no esophageal pathology, and where definitive airway should be done. So this is the most important slide of this video. So what is the added benefit of IGEL Plus? So we are already using IGEL in our OTs, but why should we use IGEL Plus? 3 points are there. So all other stories you write, you write these IGEL Plus added benefits in the middle. So this is the answer they expect. Just 3 points. If you write these 3 points, they will give the mark. In the Viva, if you answer these 3 points, they will consider it as the correct answer. So what are the 3 added benefits? Point number 1 is it has a larger gastric channel. We have already discussed in the features that it allows up to 16 French gastric tube. So you can pass a rails tube through it or a larger suction catheter to it easily because it is having a larger gastric channel. So this second gen is like even more second gen because of the larger gastric channel. So next is the intubation ramp to optimize use as a conduit for intubation. Basically, the IGEL is designed in such a way that if you are putting the tube inside the esophagus, the intubation ramp which is present, which is designed in this IGEL Plus, optimizes your intubation, and it is easily going into the esophagus, so that the conduit for intubation is optimized because of the intubation ramp into the esophagus to its correct position. So the intubation ramp is useful for it, and this is not present in your IGEL. And third is longer cuff tip. The cuff tip is usually flat in IGEL, whereas it is longer to direct itself to enhance the esophageal seal in IGEL Plus. This helps in the position also, and also it enhances the esophageal seal so that the sealing pressure is higher in your IGEL Plus. So what are the 3 added benefits? I am repeating. 1. A larger gastric channel to enable insertion of a larger gastric tube. 2. Intubation ramp to optimize use as a conduit for intubation. 3. Longer cuff tip to help enhance the esophageal seal. So the intubation insertion technique at a glance: lubricate the cuff, insert along the hot palate until the definitive resistance spill, connect to the breathing circuit. It is same as your IGEL. What are the advantages of IGEL plus? Easy to use, reduces aspiration risk because esophageal sealing pressure is more, reliable seal, protects the airway, patient comfort is better, and it saves time because of the faster insertion because of your intubation ramp. And the gastric access, they have told it has a dedicated gastric channel 14 French for easier insertion of the gastric tube. You can even pass a rails to insert it. What are the practical tips? Use water-based lubricant, ensure the patient is in sniffing position, confirm with chest raise and capnography, decompress the stomach if the risk of aspiration is there. And these are the added benefits of IGEL plus. Thank you.